So this is Harsh, and in this video, we are going to talk about how you can basically connect your Google Sheet, Google Drive, and or basically all of your Google products to the N8N automation tool. Again, if you're using the cloud version of N8N, it is much easier to connect all of your Google tools. But again, let's say if you have self-hosted your N8N, so basically in that case, you have to sign up for Google Cloud, and under that you have to basically set a few things that will that basically seems a bit technical at front, but again once you have a hang of that, you will see that it is not that difficult, right? So we'll basically going over that in this particular video, where I'll be showing you how you can basically do that step by step. Again, this is very important because I've seen a lot of new users who are like not aware of how to set up all of those things, will are like juggling a lot and then doing a lot of back and forth, and then still they are not able to do that, right? So basically in after watching this video, you will not be like, you don't have to basically watch any other videos on the YouTube about this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this particular video. So basically, as you can see, this is the N8N workflow creation dashboard, where like basically by just clicking on this button, the first step that you need to do is like the manual trigger. Of course, this is a very obvious thing. And then again, let's say if you want to, let's say, use Google Sheet in your workflow, how you can do, you can just click on this plus button, search for Google Sheet, click on it, and basically here what you, let's say if you want to, let's say whenever like whenever the workflow trigger, you want to get the rows in the sheet, right? So again, in my case, I already have connected my Google Sheet with N8N, but let's assume that you are using it for the first time, and even if you're using cloud, you can do this in the cloud itself as well. But yeah, so what you need to do is like click on this arrow icon, click on this create a new credential, and basically you need this client ID and client secret. Now again, the question is like how you can basically get both of these parameters. So for that, one thing that you can do is you can just click on this open docs, and here you will find all the instruction that you need in order to connect your Google Sheet or any other Google tools with N8N, right? But again, I know like some for the most of the people, this is like more of inconvenient, because then again, this is also like for me as well when I started with this automation tools and then connecting this sort of a tools with N8N self-hosted instance. So basically, I'll guide you step by step over this. So first thing that you need to do in order to connect your Google account with N8N, first thing, just come over to this console.cloud.google.com, and if you are doing it for the first time, you will be prompt a sign up screen. Just sign up with your Gmail ID, and once you are signed up to that, what you need to do is just click on this instance, click on this drop down menu, and then click on this button called new project, right? And you can give it any name that you want. So let's say for example, if I'm giving it N8N taste YouTube, right? And this is the organization, click on the create button, and yeah, your project has is like right now in creating. So now just click on this select project. So basically now you are into you are in this particular project. Now the next step for you is like click on this three line and come out to this like API and services, and click on this enabled API services, right? Once you connect, click on that, click on this enable API and services, and first thing that you can do is go search for Google Drive and click here and enable it. Go back and search for Google Sheet, click on that and enable it. That's it. Let's say if you want to connect more tools, let's say for example, if you want to connect for example Google Slides or Google Doc, just enable those tools by coming to this particular interface, enable API and services, right? And once you are done with that, the next step for you is like to click on this get started button, right? Give it so like basically we are here creating the app, so you can give it any name that you want. So let's say for example, if I'm putting N8N YouTube testing app, right? Put support email here, click on next, click on internal, because we are using it for the internal purpose. We are not actually giving away this to any other external users. If you are planning to do that, click on external, and yeah, good to go. Then click on next, and here give it a email ID that you want all of this email to be received. Whenever like there's any change in your project or anything, you will receive email on this particular one. Again, don't spam me on this email. This is my humble request to you. And click on this I agree to the conditions and services, continue, create, And yeah, the app has been created successfully, right? And now what we need to do is like we need to create this auth client. Application type is web application. Again, test YouTube. And basically here you need to add this URI, redirect URI, which you will get it from here. This is the redirect URI, right? Copy this and paste it here, right? Okay, and click on create. So now you've got this client ID and client secret. So what you need is just need to copy this client ID and paste it here, and again copy this secret and paste it here and save it. And the one last step that you need to perform is like click on the sign in with Google and sign in with your email ID where you have created this particular project in your cloud console, right? So this is the last step. Once you are done with that, your account has been connected. And now let's say if you want to, for example, get this Google Sheets from our account, you will easily get that. Let me yeah, from this one you can easily get this data. Let's say if you I hope you find this video really helpful, and I hope after watching this video now you know how to basically connect your Google Sheet, Google Doc or Google Drive with N8N. If you are on a self-hosted plan, even if you are like in a cloud version, you can still perform these steps and then connect your Google tools with N8N using this particular method. And yeah, I hope this is really valuable and you've learned something new from this video. And if yes, like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos around AI automation and how to make money with automations. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.